Good evening, everyone. Give me a 1 in the chat box if you can see me clearly. Give me a 2 in the chat box if you can hear me clearly. Give me a 1 and 2 if you can hear me, see me clearly. I'm audible, I'm visible because it's very important. Yeah. You know what happened one day? I was just talking, and after about 2, 3 minutes, I realized somebody said, "You are still muted. We can't hear you." Then I realized from that day, कि आज के बाद I will always ask if I'm audible and visible, and only then I'll get started with my session. And that's why, welcome to each one over here to this wonderful session called Everyone Can Heal, where we believe that yes, indeed, everyone should learn to heal, whether it is themselves or it's someone else. It's okay, but you should 100% learn to heal, right? And today we're doing something very special on Everyone Can Heal. Who's going to tell me in the chat, what are we doing today? What are we doing today? What is the topic for the day? Card reading. What kind of card reading? What kind of card reading? Magical card reading. No, something very specific. Someone who has really given attention. Yes, Tanmay Deshmukh, congratulations. Messages from the universe. Yes. That's what we're going to give you today, which is messages from the universe. And how are we doing that is with card reading. Yes. So I'm going to give you a little insight today about what is card reading, how do you read cards, what kind of cards are there, and what are the rules that you need to keep in mind before you read cards. And then we will actually read the messages for everyone who needs it today. All right, we're going to randomly pick and we're going to read it today. How many of you are excited for knowing what is the message for you from the universe right now? Yeah, excited? Yes. All right. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, first of all, what is the type of card we are reading today is called as oracle card reading. There are two kinds. One is called as tarot and one is called as oracle. Tarot is something more predictive and more precise and more accurate and more about futuristic and more about the past, wherein we're talking about someone is asking about something in the future. That's when you do tarot. Majorly, it's like that. Oracle cards are more subtle, more softer energy, more guiding energy. And they give a very good insight where you can also take this as a guidance and understand what is the meaning in the card and then take some decisions which are more easier then. All right. So today we're doing oracle card reading. I'm going to show you a few different kinds of tarot, I mean, a few different kinds of decks. And I'm going to tell you how you can choose your first deck. How many of you have a deck already? Just like that, I'm asking randomly. You already have, type in yes. If you say no, I don't have, then type in no. Okay, couple of people. Aarti doesn't have, Hivangi doesn't have, Vaishnavi doesn't have, Suketu says no, Kiranmai says no. Yes. So those of you who don't have a card deck, after today, it's going to be very easy because I'm also going to tell you how you can choose your card deck. All right. So a few things that I want to tell you is oracle card reading is a very easy way of reading cards where you don't have to remember anything, you don't have to memorize anything, you don't have to understand anything. It's only your psychic abilities that you need to develop. Okay, you need to develop your psychic abilities, which is called as clair powers, where you understand that what is the person's problem, and then when you read the card, how do you connect the two and give them the solution for the same. So the first thing that I'm going to answer is, how do you choose your card deck? Like, let us say for an example, Mr. Suketu doesn't have a card deck is what he said. I remember him because I know him. So it's easier for me to remember. He said, no, let us say he wants to pick up his first ever deck of Oracle. What he does is, there are two ways. Either you buy it online. So you go to any of these online sites and buy whatever card deck you want, or you go to any of these offline stores where you have like a lot of these books and stuff. Maybe you will get cards from there. So you need to actually go there physically and see the card decks and then feel the energy of the cards. Okay, when you feel like which one should I pick, you just need to feel the energy of the cards. If you are a healer, if you are a psychic, you actually get pulled towards one of those cards and say, this is for me. I want to pick this up. Suppose you're buying it online, you just keep surfing and you keep just doing upar niche and seeing, which one. There's one card deck which will catch your attention and you'll feel like, yes, this is the one I want to buy, and you'll buy that. That is the one which is for you. So never doubt whenever your intuition says, this is something that I want to do, this is something that I want to buy, this is the one which I'm attracted to, because you never choose your cards. Your cards choose you. Right? When you are a person who is in the energy world, you don't do many things. A lot of things happen to you because you're aligned, and the universe is giving you those signs. The universe is giving you all those guidance about what to do, what not to do. So yes, the first thing that you want to do is buy a set of card, buy a deck of card for yourself, wherein you get attracted to a particular deck of cards. Second thing is, how do you cleanse your deck? So all you need to do is whichever deck you have, like I have a few angel decks, I have angel answers, I have meaning tarot, I have runes, I have chakra, and I have Zebu. A lot of these card decks, what you do is just take a Palo Santo or a sage or an incense and just run it around this like this. Any and all energies that does not belong to this card deck, may it be cleansed. You say these lines and you just run it around this, and the card deck is totally cleansed. Okay. Now, between one person and the other person, let us say I'm reading a card for Aarti Kulkarni, and after that I'm reading for Santoshi. So between one person and the other person, 100% you need to do this kind of a cleansing, which is called as energy cleansing. But let us say Aarti only is asking a question, the first question, second question, and then the third question. Then I don't need to do every time the cleansing of the cards. What I will do is I'll just tap it with the intention that I want to cleanse the deck again. Again, this you will do only when you have the question which is totally different. Let us say Kiran Mai asked me a question about her relationship. Question number 1. Then I answered. Then she asks another question related to the same relationship. No need to cleanse. You can just read the card. Then the third question, again about relationship. No need to cleanse the card, just read. But then immediately she jumps to a finance related question. Then you just cleanse and then go to the next question, because now the energy is different. It's not about relationship, it's about finances. So you can cleanse it. So you can use sage, Palo Santo, incense stick. You can use selenite stick, and you can cleanse it. Now, things that you want to keep in mind is you need to keep a cloth for your card reading, and this is going to be exclusively for card reading alone. You're not going to mix it with anything else when you're doing this as a profession. So definitely you need to keep your decks very much energetically high. So you keep it in the right way, right place, and that's how you take care of your cards. You don't keep it everywhere and anywhere just like that. After that, how do you connect to your card deck? When you get a deck home, let us say you got this deck home, okay? The moment you get your deck home, there are two ways how you connect to the card. Number one, keep the deck next to your pillow for next 44 days if it has 44 cards. This particular deck has 44 cards, and that is why you will just keep it next to your pillow, just like that. Keep it next to your pillow for 44 days, and your card deck is completely connected with you. But then I have another way of how you can connect is you open your card deck and then you start reading every day one card. Look at this card, see what is there, look at the design, look what's written, understand what is there according to your wish. It's not that what is there, actually in the card, but whatever you feel guided, you just see that, then leave it. Then tomorrow, card number 2, see it in the night, leave it. Day 3, see the third card, leave it. That is what you will do on 44 nights. But then there are some people who are like me, who are like Hari Bari. They want everything fast. I like everything fast. I like action taking very, very fast. I'm not someone who does sochenge, batayenge, kalenge. So I want everything fast because I am an action taker, and I also feel that I have the capacity to learn fast also. And I feel that that has always worked for me. So each one of you have to sense what kind of a personality you are and you want to do it fast. Take 2-3 hours exclusively for yourself. No disturbance, no noise, nothing. Just be there for 3 hours with yourself. Sit with your card deck, and one by one open your card, see the card, read the card, what is written on that, look at what are the pictures in that, connect to that card, feel the energy of that card, and then keep it aside. The same minute, same day, take another card. Then again, see, understand, read, connect, keep it aside. So in just 2-3 hours, these are oracle cards and different from tarot. Please don't get confused. Tarot is different, oracle is different. Hence, you can just connect to these cards energetically and get started with your reading. And eventually you will get the hang of how to do that. So that is about how you connect to the cards. After this, now let me go to the next question. Most commonly asked questions, right? what do you need if you want to do a card reading? One is you need a spread cloth. Okay, what kind of a spread cloth? Something that is a little soft and furry. Now, I have something like this, which is a furry kind of a feeling, something which is soft. You can put something like this. You can put something like a fur cloth, a soft cloth, um, something that's a little nice, because we are also connecting to angels and stuff like that. And angels also have feathers. So whenever you see feather, whenever you see fur, you connect to the angels, right? That's how you feel that. And that's why it's nice to put some furry, feathery thing on the bottom. So you need a cloth, which you can put down, spread cloth, it's called. Second thing that you need, apart from that, is you need the card deck, of course. Then you need some cleansing tools, and then you need some candles, or you can keep some crystals, something like this. There's an angel. I've kept a selenite heart. Okay, like that. You can keep anything, whatever you feel aligned to. You can keep some candles around. Where can we get those angel idols from me? You can get in touch with the team. We have 2 or 3 people from the team. Whoever is there, please put your numbers. So Santoshi, you can get in touch with them and they will help you get those idols. So you just keep whatever you like. You can keep crystals, you can keep angels, you can keep angelite. Angelite also gives you that intuition skills. Wherever you want. No, you just spread it on the cloth. You just spread all these things on the cloth so that they look very nice. Because why you want to do all of that is to be energetically aligned. When you have these things around, they look so beautiful. I had shared a picture in the group, if you noticed. Why? Because it's so beautiful to see. Right now also, when I'm talking to you, I can see the angels in front of me. It's such a beautiful feeling to see the cards, and they give you that energy to be able to read the cards for everybody. So you need a few tools, which is very, very minimal. You don't need like really expensive things to start your journey of card reading. How do you spread your cards? How do you pick your cards? We all have 2 hands. Use your left hand. Why? Left hand is connected to the magical intuitive part of your brain. And that is why when you read the cards, when you spread your cards, you pick it up with your left hand so that you just pick up some magical information and you're able to read it for the other person. You can spread the cards in 2 ways. One is from left to right. You do like this, the first way. Then in a shoe horse way, go like this, go left and go into a round and then come down, right? This is one way and this is the second way. Both the ways are okay to spread your cards. And once you spread your cards with your left hand, you pick up your cards and you have different kinds of oracle cards. Sometimes you do just today, what we're doing is called as a 1 card reading. We're just picking one person, one question, one universe message. And it is so much going to be aligned to whatever is going on in your life that you will feel like, yes, now this is the message. Let me see how can I use this and take this in the right direction. And then there are these cards which give you a lot of guidance in terms of yes and no. Then there are time cards. Then there are guidance card. I'm going to give you just an insight. We're not using this card deck today, but I will definitely show you so that you get some idea. So this card deck, Angel Answers, has something called as time cards. Okay, what are these time cards? So you ask a question that this is what I want to do. How do I do? When do I do? When does this happen? And when you pick up a card, it says within the next few months. So it gives you an exact time. So somebody is asking, Meri shadi kab hogi? And somebody is asking, ye kab hoga, wo kab hoga? You ask a question and you get this. Now, this is a card deck. I mean, this is the same deck, but it has questions like yes and no. क्या मैं इससे शादी करूं या नहीं? And you ask this question and then you pick up a card and it says reconsider. फिर से सोचो, मत करो, फटाफट सोचो और थोड़ा छानबीन करो and then शादी करो. So that's what this particular card says if you want to talk anything. So you ask the question in such a way that you are able to get the right answers. Also, sometimes a person says, no, मुझे इससे करनी ही है. So how do I do it? I really want to marry. I don't want to know at all. I want to marry this guy only. So how do we do? Then you take up your guidance card and then you pick up and figure out that how can you make this happen in the most easiest, wonderful manner possible. And then you will be able to get some guidance for the person and tell them, okay, this is what you can do. This all comes with practice, of course. I'm giving you a very, very short gist because I didn't want to jump into card reading and there would be some freshers who don't know much about it and they'll be like, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? So I said, let me give a little introduction about card reading, how to do the card reading, give you the, a little background and then we will do the card reading, right? Are we all ready for reading the cards? Yeah. All right, let's get started. So we can shuffle cards in multiple manners, and these are basically going to be just to again cleanse the energy and align the energy. And then you ask the question. Today, the question is going to be the same for everybody, which is what is the message from the universe for XYZ? Those of you who feel that you want to know what is the message for you, please raise your yellow color hand in the chat box. And as per the 1, 2, 3, I will be just reading the cards for you, right? You can get started with it, and I'm going to read it. I'm going to give you. And once you have your card on the screen, when I'm going to give it to you, you can take a screenshot so that you keep it and think over it. What is there as the message for you from the universe? How many? We have 24 people who want the message from the universe. That's it? Only 24? Another 24 are looking for what are the messages for others, and then they will decide. So I request you that once your answer is done, please lower your hand so that we have less confusion, right? I am ready. I hope you are ready too. So sometimes I'm going to show you because it's going to get difficult, but I'm going to show you the first card for sure, how I did it. The first card we're going to read for Deepti Kotgiri. Dear universe, let me know which is the card for Deepti Kotgiri and what is the message for her. So Deepti, the message from the universe says, you have a gift for creating magic. Use it well. So you have to ask yourself, what is the magic that I have, which I have to use? You're not using it well. There is something that you have, you're not using it well. So that's what is the message from the universe for you. Right. Okay. And then we have lower your hand, Deepti. So it's easy. Santoshi, you can unmute yourself. Basically, I'm reading the question for you. What is the message for Santoshi, dear universe? Let me know what is the message for the universe. It's a very beautiful message. I wish this is for me. Anyone who sees this will say, Santoshi ke saath mujhe bhi ye message de do. It says, money is flowing in abundance. If you haven't received it yet, it is well on its way to you. Right, Santoshi? So there's a lot of abundance. You can see a lot of golden color coins falling for you. So it's a message that you are getting it on the way. Unmute yourself. I want to see how you feel.
Can you believe it? My question was regarding that how my career as a hypnotherapist will shape up, how
Wow.
I'll, and the answer is exactly because I'm pretty much detached about money.
Okay.
I'm very much detached. So money is not a concern. But then, you coaches and all, they are like always emphasize on, you should have this target, that target. And
Mm.
I'm like, let universe decide whatever universe wants to give me, will give. And now I saw this card and I'm like, oh wow, this
Are
is
you
like
new in
universe
the
answered.
community, Santoshi?
Sorry?
Are you new in the community?
No, I joined community. It's been almost 3 to 4 months, I guess. I
Oh,
have taken up around 22 to 23 courses
wow.
from
Wonderful.
you. I'm going through all the courses and everything. And
Nice.
this is so nice. As in,
It's
today
very
morning
good.
only, I told someone that, I'm not going to think about money. My job is to heal people. Let universe take the call.
Wow.
And this is what I got it. So, such a beautiful message. Thank you so much.
I'm
Thank you so
wondering,
much.
why are you not into super healing yet? You're aware of super healer or no?
I know. I'm going through my hypnotherapy sessions and life coaching sessions.
Done, done,
So
done.
that's why I'm like waiting. Later on, I'll get there also in super healing.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
sure.
All right. Very
Thank
happy
you.
for your
Thank you
message.
so much.
Yes. All right. The next person is my sweetheart Sai Sanskriti. Unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. For Sai Sanskriti, her universe is Sai Baba. So I'm going to say, dear universe, nahi, dear Sai Baba, tell us what is the message for Sai Sanskriti, right? So for Sai Sanskriti, the message from the universe today is, this is also very much relevant to you, Santoshi. When I saw this, I feel this is for you. And I think you were asking me about this. You will be shocked to know what this is. And Sanskriti will so relate to this. You are beginning to recover. Soon you shall
Wow.
heal. You asked me
Wow.
this question today morning, right? You asked me this question today morning, ma'am. Certain aspects of my life I want.
Yes. Yes.
So the universe says you're soon going to heal.
Very nice.
Very nice, no? Yes.
Very,
And
very nice.
yes. Wonderful. And then we have, can you please lower your hand? Shweta Prasad, unmute yourself. All right. Shweta Prasad, what is the message from the universe for Shweta Prasad? Okay. So basically, the card says, there is not enough energy to hang on to toxic thoughts or people. Release and let go of the things that you are hurt of. Okay. So basically, there are a lot of cords you are hanging on to from the past, which is just troubling you. You need to just release them, feel free. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. I want you to sit and identify at peace what this could be, what is that energy, what person is draining me, and how do I forgive and let go. That's it. You will feel better. And then we have beautiful Savita Swaroop. Unmute yourself. Right? What is the message from the universe for Savita Swaroop? So it says, there are kind souls who have your back. You don't have to worry. How amazing.
Thank you.
You never have to worry about anything
Thanks a
because
lot.
you have a lot of good souls behind your back. Yeah? Wonderful.
Yeah. I feel
You feel that?
the energy.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Kiranmai, Kiranmai, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. A very good evening.
Very, very good evening. Dear universe, what is the message for K. Kiranmai right now? So it says 27th, you need to make a note of this. Good days are coming, trust the universe.
Oh,
Okay, so please make a note of this and figure out and also let me know what is the good news, which lottery you have received.
sure, ma'am. Definitely. Thank you.
Yeah. And we have Tanmay Deshmukh. Unmute. Dear universe, give me the message for Tanmay Deshmukh. What is the message for her today? It says you're spending a lot of money. Maybe tread cautiously. Count your pennies before you spend them. Maybe you're wasting your money somewhere. You're not aware of it. Figure that out and be careful. Okay, whatever it is. Yes. Dr. Mayuri Joshi, unmute yourself. So good to see you after such a long time.
Hello, ma'am.
Good evening, doctor. आपको डॉक्टर बुलाए, हीलर बुलाए, सुपर हीलर बुलाए, क्या बुलाए?
आपको जो पसंद हो बुलाओ, मैम.
Dear universe, what is the message for Dr. Mayuri? So it says, the universe removed obstacles, not well-wishers. Do not miss the people who brought you no value. कोई लोग चले गए हैं जिनके बारे में आप बहुत ज्यादा सोच रहे हैं और अभी यूनिवर्स बोल रहा है कि इनके बारे में ज्यादा मत सोचो. The universe thinks that it's good for you and that's why they're away from you. All right?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the message. It's
Yes.
very well returned. क्योंकि एक्चुअली मेरी मेड मुझे छोड़ के चली गई.
अच्छा.
I am doing healing for that.
Okay, okay. No, maybe you're going to attract someone better because maybe the universe thought that there was something better for you.
I know.
Okay?
Thank you for the answer, ma'am.
Yes. See, it can be as simple as that. कि हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि ये maid क्यों छोड़ के चली गई, but it's maybe something for good, right? Yes. And then we have Yosha. Yosha, what's the meaning of your name?
Hi, ma'am. Very good evening. This is my second class with you.
Okay.
My name means women.
Woman.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. All right. What is the message from the universe for Yosha? The message is here. Sometimes you need to cut off the things that make you angry. Sometimes you need to focus on why it is making you angry. Which do you choose today? Take a screenshot so that you remember why you're getting angry, right?
This is the fourth time I'm getting the same message.
Oh my God. Then you have to be careful and now work on your third eye, pull it down, use amethyst.
Definitely.
Anna?
Thank you so much.
Yes. And we have Anil ma'am. Unmute yourself. यूनिवर्स अनिल मैम के लिए क्या मैसेज है? मैसेज ये है कि आप सही दिशा में जा रहे हैं, अब अपना पाथ मत बदलिए. यू आर ऑन द कस्प ऑफ ग्रेटनेस. डोंट स्ट्रे फ्रॉम योर पाथ. आप सही दिशा में जा रही हैं, अभी जहां भी जा रही है, बस अब मत राह बदलना. ठीक है? वंडरफुल. यस, ma'am is happy. And then we have the brand new super healer, baby super healer, Suparna. Unmute yourself. Officially welcome to Super Healer.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
To everyone present here, please look at her. She's going to be the healer who is going to come very soon and make a lot of noise.
Thank you so much.
So what is the message from the universe for Suparna today?
Yeah.
The universe is on your side. See the universe also hugging you here. It's so nice. Right. Amazing. Right.
Thank you so much. Actually, I was a very talkative person. Usually, before how I will get excited and like that it was.
Okay.
And these days I'm practicing.
How do we come?
Like, yes, all neutral, whatever it is, and this is working for me. That's why, yes.
So what else you can scream when you're listening to the universe is on your side. You can be like,
No, actually, this is working for me. Actually, this
be
is
calm.
more grounded approach, na? So
Okay.
everything is aligning when I am in this way.
Sthita Prajna.
One more time, can you please show that to me, that card? That picture is not visible. Yeah, one more time. Yeah, sorry for taking time. Yeah. I called upon Reiki energy. I covered with me with white light. I called upon Archangel Michael and Raphael also with me, and requested them to find the best answer for me. I called upon Krishna also.
Wow. So all of them together did some group work.
Yes. Thanks a lot, man.
Teamwork.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes. Aruti, unmute yourself. So we're going to read what is the message for Aruti. You have more than enough money to make it through today, tomorrow, and day after. So don't have to worry about it. All right? Yes. Are you new here, Aruti? I haven't seen you before.
Joined yesterday.
You joined yesterday. Wow. Lovely. Welcome to the community in that case.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes. Stuti Agarwal, unmute yourself. Dear universe, what is the message for Stuti Agarwal? You have a gift for creating magic. Use it well. आप तो उस राह
Thank you.
हो तो आपको टेंशन ही नहीं है.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? You're in the right track. Very nice. Wonderful.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Radhe Radhe.
Anupama Avasthi, unmute yourself.
हेलो मैम
अनुपमा, मुझे टीम से पता चला आपका कोई पार्सल नहीं आया. हो जाए,
यस मैम
कल हो जाए. ठीक है?
ओके मैम
Dear universe, what is the message from the universe for Anupama? Again, it says, you are beginning to recover soon, you shall heal. तो आपको सोचना है कि कौन से एस्पेक्ट में आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप थोड़ा सा फंस गए हैं. And then you will be fine. Right? Suketu bhai, unmute yourself. Dear universe, what is the message for Mr. Suketu? Very nice. Visualize green to attract money. अपना ये कर दो. What is it called? Unmute sir. Wallpaper वगैरह सब कुछ green कर दो.
Yeah, definitely do it. Thank you so much for
Yes.
this great message.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful.
Bye-bye.
Yes. And to everyone who thinks कि कैसे just randomly you pick up and how is it going to be the message, this is exactly what is called alignment. These are indeed messages exclusively designed for you. That's what the universe is making arrangements to get you the right message. Bhavna Kataria, unmute yourself. Are you new here? I haven't seen you. Unmute.
गुड इवनिंग मैम यस मैम आई एम न्यू
Okay, wonderful. So to the newbie over here in the community, dear universe, what is the message for Bhavana? Yes. Wow. Wow. I wish this was my message. It says, you are loved. Every star in the cosmic universe loves you. Wow.
सी
Yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम
So
एंड आई
nice.
फील लव्ड एवरी डे
Yes.
आई डोंट नो बट आई फील ब्लेस्ड एवरी डे
Wow. Yeah.
थैंक यू
Wonderful. Yeah. And then we have Shweta. Unmute yourself. Dear universe, what is the message for Shweta? Again, it says the universe removed obstacles, not well-wishers. Do not miss the people who brought you no value. Somebody who moved away and you're sad about them moving away, they have gone for a reason. You just need to understand that. All right. Don't have to feel bad, sad, sorry about it anymore. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for the message.
Priyanka Malhotra, unmute yourself. Are you new here? I haven't seen you before.
Hello. Yes, I've joined just 2 days back only.
Okay, so today we're doing card reading, but every time we do something different. So
Yeah.
today exclusively about oracle cards. Okay. Dear universe, what is the message for Priyanka Malhotra for today? You deserve much more than you're giving yourself. Be kinder to yourself.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes. And we have Kavita Parmar, the powerful super healer. Yeah. Let's see what's your message. Kavita के लिए क्या है message? Dear universe, let me know. You are yet to meet the biggest supporter of your life. कोई ऐसा आने वाला है, कविता जी, who's going to be a great supporter.
Ma'am, I think it's already there. You are there. Because you know
You
I'm
and
doing this
Mrs.
course, yeah.
We're together.
Because I'm doing this course, Super Healer course during my notice period. So obviously you are my supporter.
Thank you so much for thinking so. I will always be there to support you. Wonderful.
Thanks, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Mukta, you can unmute yourself. And I guess you are asking me, what's the deck? The deck is messages from the universe. Yeah. You can unmute yourself. So, dear universe, what is the message for Mukta? There are kind souls who have your back. So you don't have to worry, Mukta.
Definitely, definitely. I believe in that. Definitely.
Absolutely.
Ma'am, what was the name of the deck? I just missed it.
Messages from the universe.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. And we have Hivangi Badsiwal. Hivangi, I'm so sorry. Yesterday we lost it. There was a technical error. I apologize. I saw you're very active. But then get in touch with the team for the recording, or you can attend it maybe whenever we have another live. Yeah. So, dear universe, please help me with a message for Hivangi. Again, it says, I mean, some cards come again and again. This is again something like that. The universe removed some people, and that's because they were not good for you. So you just have to recognize कि कौन चला गया, वो आपके लिए अच्छा है. ठीक है?
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes. Are you also new here, Hivangi?
Yes, yes.
Okay. What's the meaning of your name?
Part of heart.
Part of heart. Wow. I only knew auricles and ventricles. I didn't know Hivangi was a part of the heart.
That's
Yeah.
new for me also.
Wonderful. That's a Sanskrit name, is it?
Yes.
Okay.
Hirde, like Hirde.
Yes.
Ang. Hirde Ang.
Okay. Okay. And 230780. ये रोली मैम है क्या? हाँ क्या? See how I remember and how I recognize you. Unmute yourself, ma'am. मैम अपना यूनिवर्स कैसे पहचानेगा आपका अगर नाम ही 2370 ऐसे है तो? हाँ? Dear universe, what's the message for Roly ma'am? Please let me know. Your ideal body is achievable. The universe has seen it happening. Roly ma'am, अभी weight loss होगा.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Yes. And then we have Tina Kothari. Are you also new here, Tina? I haven't seen you before. Unmute yourself. Given you the permission. Unmute. Tina?
I'm new to this. Yeah, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. So in Everyone Can Heal, every week we do either some healing practice, some new technique, or learn something. Today we're doing some messages from the universe about cards. So to the new person in our community, Tina Kothari, dear universe, what's the message for her? Again, it says visualize green to attract more money. Right? So there's something good coming up.
Oh, ma'am.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes. Aarti, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Where's your baby today?
Here only.
Baby's always around. Dear
Mm.
universe, what is the message for Aarti? So Aarti, it says, close your eyes, say a prayer. The universe is listening to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Such a sweet message.
Yeah.
Jnanendra Pandey, unmute yourself. Are you new here?
No, ma'am. I've joined 3 months back, but yeah, not regular.
Acha, but you never come on camera, is it? I never saw you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Dear universe, what is the message for Gyanendra? And have you got the access to the previous recordings?
Yeah, I have that.
Yeah. It's time to realign with yourself. You have to ask yourself, kahan bhatak gaye ho?
Okay, that's a great message. Yes.
So maybe, wait, let me make this clear and then you keep a reminder of, yes.
Yeah, I can see that. Yes.
Yeah, you can see that. So ask
Thank you.
yourself where you need to align. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anju, unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. I must ask the universe for the beautiful Anju Goyal. What is the message from the universe for Mrs. Anju? You deserve much more than you're giving yourself. Be kinder to yourself. Nice. Huh? अपने आप का और ज्यादा ख्याल रखो is what it's saying. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Wonderful. Super healer Ridhika, unmute yourself. आपका सेटअप मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा जो आपने वीडियो में बनाया था. Very professional and very, very nice. Amazing. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. Yes, dear universe, for Radhika Jain, what's the message from the universe? Again, आपकी भी ideal body achievable है. Universe has seen it happening. आप पूछो अपने आप को कि कहाँ पे you want to improve it and the universe will make it happen. ठीक है, जहाँ पे भी आपको लगता है.
अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही मैंने योगा शुरू किया है.
Oh, wow. तो हो जाएगा. That's what the universe is saying. Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sushant Patel, unmute yourself, please. Unmute. Yes, Sushant, क्या आपको सुनना है यूनिवर्स से? What is it that you think you want to?
Anything from me.
Anything that the universe wants to tell you, yeah? Yes. Dear universe, what is the message for Sushant? Money is flowing in abundance. If you haven't received it yet, it is well on its way. पता नहीं कहाँ से, but you just have to believe.
And today only I started Money Reiki.
You started Money Reiki today. Wonderful. And such an aligned card for it then.
Yes, ma'am.
इसको याद रखो. Huh? That money is going to come after Money Reiki. You want to take a screenshot?
Done.
Done. Wonderful. Started with Money Reiki and got this card. That's called alignment. Amazing. Pink Pot Shoppy. Are you there with your hands raised? Then you will definitely be called. We just have another 10 people or so. Pink Pot, please raise your yellow color hand. Are you in a hurry? If you're in a hurry, then I will. Are you in a hurry? Let me know. Etsy Katral. Yes, Hema, unmute yourself.
Yeah, hi, ma'am.
Change your name to full Hemavati.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
the universe will find you easily then.
Okay, definitely.
Dear universe, what is the message for Hema? The universe is on your side.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I was expecting very much aligned to that, and I was expecting this
And you
answer.
can see, the universe is hugging you also, taking care
Yeah.
also.
Thank
Nothing,
you very much.
the stars also. Nice. It's a very good card.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes, Gopa ma'am, unmute yourself. Pink Pot, no hurry, then Aram se we will take you next. Have you raised your hand? No, please raise your hand. It's only easy for us to figure out the pink, yellow hand. I hope you know how to do that. And what's your name? It's so difficult if I don't know your name. How do I ask the universe ये message किसके लिए है? Yes, Gopa ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening for Gopa. Update your vision board. You have unexpected, brilliant new things coming your way. आपने बनाया है या नहीं अभी तक?
हाँ, बनाया है. अभी 25th के शुरुआत में बनाई थी. अभी वो है अभी तक.
अच्छा, तो ये बोल रहा है कि कुछ तो चीज है जो आप भूल गए डालने के लिए, लेकिन अगर आप नहीं डालेंगे तो नहीं होगा. तो अपने विजन बोर्ड को अपडेट करो और एक चीज वो ऐड करो जो आपको लग रहा है कि वो मिसिंग है. ठीक है?
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
हाँ. Dr. Swati, are you new over here? I'm seeing you for the first time.
Yes, ma'am. First day.
First time, मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं card reading हमेशा करूंगी because this is the only time I get to see people on camera. Otherwise, they're all hiding. The universe is finding everybody, but they're all hiding. Yeah. Okay. Dear universe, what is the message for Dr. Swati? What do you specialize in, doctor?
I'm an Ayurveda Acharya. I practice Ayurveda.
Okay.
I have, Panchakarma.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm from Mumbai.
You're attached to any hospital or
No,
anything?
I have my own center.
Wow, that's nice. So it's offline now?
Yeah.
Offline. Which place?
Mumbai, Vasai.
Vasai. It's time to realign with yourself. Abhi bhi kuch missing hai. Although you are doing so much of Ayurveda, something is still missing. You're new here with us?
Yeah, this is the first day.
First time. Have you learned any of the healing modalities?
Yeah.
Which one?
Tarot.
Tarot is a predictive card. Yeah, but for healing, what have you learned?
Spiritual healing I have learned.
Like
So,
Reiki?
No, not Reiki. That's why I have joined you.
Okay.
Reiki and something.
Yes.
Someone.
Tomorrow we have Reiki level 1, level 2 attunement
Okay.
at
I
7
can
o'clock.
attend that.
Yes, you can get in touch with the team and they'll help you.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
You can
Every
see my
week
message.
Everyone Can Heal is a place where every week we come once live and give you a lot of knowledge, insight, practice, gyan, moving ahead and stuff like that. But if you want to learn individual courses like Reiki, पूरा आपको सीखना है, certificate आपको चाहिए, attunement चाहिए, पूरा level 1, level 2 का ज्ञान चाहिए, you qualify yourself as a healer, you need to take a complete course.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Most of my courses are 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, so they were quite affordable. So you don't have to think about it. You can even bundle it up. They'll help you.
Can I see my message once again?
Oh, I mixed it up.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
I mixed it up, but I forgot also what it is.
I
But
knew something
can-
alignment with myself.
Yeah. So I can give you the recording of this.
Yes.
You will have to search it.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Shweta, unmute yourself. We have, every time I see the number, I feel like, okay, 10 more people and then it's increased. So people who are hiding are now coming.
Hi, Madhura.
Yes,
How
yes.
are you?
Fantastic, as ever.
Okay, so what's the universe wants to tell me?
Or Shweta, yeah.
I want to know.
So you're hanging on to a lot of toxic energy from the past and you need to get rid of it.
I am.
You know it.
I am on the way.
It should be easy now. Now you
Yeah.
learn cord cutting, it'll go like this.
Yes.
Just cut
I'm
cord.
doing it. In fact, it has been very easy for me. Like, I think I told you, there was no much relationship between me and my mother. But once I started doing cord cutting, I don't know, surprisingly, things are like working out.
Good. Very nice.
That's it. In fact, your video, one Insta video that helped me, like, it just popped up like this universal message, universe ka message kinds
Which is
one day. Yeah, and it helped me.
very nice.
Thank you.
Wonderful. So somebody who has messaged me here should raise your hand. Then only we will be able to figure out. How would I dream that you want a card to be read? Please raise your hand if you need to read the card. Shivani, Sai Shivani. So I'm going to ask Sai Baba to read the card for you. Absolutely.
Yes, absolutely.
What's the message for Sai Shivani? Dear Swami, let me know. You are good at what you are supposed to be doing. How amazing it is. See?
And I was,
You're doing a course for kids and you see a pencil over here. That is so relatable, right? So it means that you're on the right path. You don't have to think twice.
yeah, and this super healer, that the statement is also related to the
I'm talking about that.
parents.
I'm talking
Okay,
about only.
that. Because there was a lot of confusion going on. Again, that was going on. ठीक कर रही हूँ, नहीं कर रही हूँ, ठीक कर रही हूँ, नहीं कर रही हूँ. Thank you.
You have good experience with kids, so I'm sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Radhika Karthik, unmute yourself. Sai Radhika Karthik. Are you also a Sai devotee?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening. Are you new over here?
No, ma'am. I'm here for more than 2 months, ma'am.
Okay, but you never came on camera.
No, ma'am. Twice I have spoken to you, ma'am.
Okay, then it's my memory which is bad. So sorry.
I have asked you about the secret behind your lighting and all. You remember?
Oh, yes. Now I remember. Yes. Yes. So what is the message for Sai Radhika Karthik? Dear universe, let me know. Rest. You need some sleep. Maybe you're overworking.
Thank
Yeah.
you, ma'am.
Yeah.
I will do that.
Yes. Shruti Jadhav, unmute yourself.
Thank you. Hello,
Hi.
Madhura. Sorry. Hi.
Somehow I lost you. Where
Am
are
I
you?
audible now?
Audible, but not visible. You were visible until now. Or maybe
I am visible. I don't know. I'll stop the
raise the
video
hand
and
again,
do it
please.
again. Is it fine?
Yes.
1 minute. I'll just do that. Yeah. Is it better?
1 minute. I'm just closing the other people's mics.
Yes.
Yes. Shruti Jadhav.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Dear universe, let me know what is the message from the universe for Shruti Jadhav. Wow. The universe is finding ways to make your life easier. Have faith.
Wow, that's an awesome card, actually.
Anna?
Thank you so much.
And there's a ladder, which means that you're going to go up. The
Thank
universe
you.
hands are here, you're going up. It's making it easier. Just have to have faith in the direction.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And when we get to know that.
True. Been waiting for all these things. So, yeah, it's a good sign. Thanks a lot.
Madhuri Borole, unmute yourself.
हाँ यस मैम, क्या बताना चाहती है यूनिवर्स मुझको?
हाँ, आप नए हो क्या यहाँ पे?
नहीं मैम, 2-3 मंथ्स हो गए हैं। मैंने आपका लक्ष्मी यंत्र किया था फर्स्ट।
अच्छा।
हाँ यस, वो रिकॉर्डेड किया था, वैसे वो हो गया था आपका। नेक्स्ट मंथ मैंने बाय किया।
अच्छा, दिवाली में हम लोग फिर से लाइव करेंगे क्लास, फिर सब मिलके बनाएंगे लक्ष्मी यंत्र।
यस यस, नहीं रिजल्ट है बहुत अच्छे से मैम।
हाँ, it's very magical, very nice. So, dear universe, what is the message for Madhuri? Please let me know what's the message for Madhuri. It's time to realign with yourself.
Thank you.
Yeah? Okay. And then we have Dr. Saurabh Manloi. How do I pronounce your name? Unmute.
Saurabh Mandloi.
Are you new here, Dr. Saurabh?
2 months, ma'am.
2 months. Have you taken any of the courses or attended any lives?
2 time live session.
2 live sessions. Very nice.
उसके बाद फिर recording चल रही है. And I was doing कि आज आपसे बात हो जाए.
Okay.
It was raining heavily in Bhopal. I joined from 2 places, from a laptop for video and mic from mobile.
इसीलिए आपकी आवाज इको कर रही है. यूनिवर्स की आवाज जैसे दिख रही है. Nice. Dr. Saurabh के लिए what is the message from the universe? Okay, close your eyes, say a prayer. The universe is listening to you. That's what the universe is saying. Got it? Doctor? Dr. Saurabh.
Can you please explain?
It says that अगर आपको कुछ मांगना है, मांगिए. यूनिवर्स सुन रहा है और आपको दे देगा. पता नहीं यूनिवर्स दे देगा या दे देगी, but you can ask. Okay, it's time to ask whatever you want to ask. Close your eyes, say a prayer. The universe is listening, which means there's something that you want. Maybe you're not asking. Ask it. The universe will give you. Got it?
Thank you.
Wonderful. How nice. मुझे ऐसे होता तो मैं पूरा लिस्ट दे देती कि this is my list, universe. Please make this happen. Yes, super healer Prajakta, I love how you call yourself. Unmute yourself. Yes. Dear
Hello.
universe, what is the message for super healer Prajakta? Okay. The universe says कि कोई pain है and it's okay to feel the pain right now. Acknowledge what is happening and that's the only way you can move on. So if you're feeling that there's some pain, something that's disturbing, something that's not that great, it's okay. That's how you move on. You just acknowledge what's happening. कि yes, this is what it is. It'll be fine. Okay? Nothing to worry. Yes.
Good.
Yes. We have Suparna. Suparna is also over? Yeah. All are over? No, it's all here, this side. Roshni Suvarna, unmute yourself. Roshni, are you new over here?
No, ma'am. I joined 2 months back, but I rarely get the opportunity to come live. I've attended 2 classes live, but then rest of the things are like recording.
Okay. Sharda, have you raised your hand? If you have raised your hand, I will definitely call you. I dare not miss you. But please raise your hand because I can't see you here and you say I'm waiting. Okay. But I'm going as per the screen. Now we have Roshni, then Mahesh, then Manjula. Then we have Ritu, Avantika, Rekha. That's the way I can see in the screen as per the way the people are picking up. Yeah. So what's the message from the universe from Roshni? For Roshni, you're good at what you're supposed to do. Just be doing it.
I got goosebumps. Thank you so much.
So just continue doing what you're doing and please attend more of these live sessions.
Yes, I will. Yes, I will.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Lots of love and blessings.
Thank you. Mahesh, unmute yourself, please. Unmute. Are you not able to unmute? Try kariye now. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for inviting me to this miraculous evening.
Yes.
Let's go forward.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chennai.
Chennai. Okay. What is the message for Mr. Universe? Mr. Universe, I'm saying. What is the message for Mr. Mahesh, dear Universe? You're beginning to recover. You shall heal soon. It's not the physical body, it's the energy body. You ask yourself, is there anything you're scared about, feeling low about, angry about, guilty about, feeling bad about? It'll be fine. Okay?
No, I'm wondering, am I supposed to be a super healer? Yes, I heal my known people. I've never thought of it as a profession.
Why?
Not as a...
Why are you doing conjusi and keeping it to yourself? You should help others also, no? When you have some knowledge.
Yes, but limited people, like only known people, not...
we are born to be unlimited. No limitations. Go full on.
Thank you.
Yeah. Get in touch with the team. Ask them 100 questions. Let them answer you. Only if you feel good, then go ahead.
Okay, fine. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Manjula, unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am.
You can get in touch with 8904060246 and she'll tell you whether you should or you should not. And if you want some answers from our super healers, they will also tell you that you should join or you should not join. Because if they have joined, they are the right people to tell you that you should join or no. Where are you, Mr. Mahesh? Let's see whether our super healers can counsel you or no. Where are you, Mr. Mahesh? Please raise your hand. This is a challenge for Avantika, Suparna, Rekha, Kanvarani. Now you need to talk about it as if it is your course. Tomorrow. Mahesh, are you here? Unmute yourself. Come on camera.
Yeah.
And they are the present day super healers. All right.
Okay.
And I want to test them.
Okay.
I have to throw tests at them and see whether they're good enough. You should ask at least 3 questions, and one Avantika will answer, one Suparna will answer, one Rekha will answer.
Okay. How do you contact them?
Now, right now, you ask your question. They're on the screen and they answer you.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Am I ready?
Yes, you are ready.
But I'm part of the universe, so I'm ready.
You are ready, but what
you call me universe, not my...
I'll call you universe. Okay. Dear universe, what's your question?
Super healer.
The current super healers will answer you that. Are you confused? The universe is confused. All right, no problem. I think he's stuck with the network. No problem. All right. And then we have...
Ma'am, Manjula.
Manjula, unmute yourself.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am.
Manjula?
Good, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangalore.
From
I have my own salon.
Okay.
I just closed around 7 o'clock and rushed and came.
Dear universe, what is the message for Manjula? The universe is finding ways to make your life easier. Have faith.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, amazing. Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Ritu Biswas, unmute yourself.
Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Yes, yes. Dear universe, what is the message for Ritu Biswas? Some friendships are made in heaven. At this moment, the friendship you have with them is beautiful. So you have to check who is that friend of yours who is like really amazing with you right now.
Thank you.
Yeah. Avantika, you can unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Looking
Yes.
gorgeous as always. Yes, ma'am. Let me know.
Universe, what is the message for Avantika? Super healer Avantika. Yes. Buy that one thing you've always wanted to. You deserve it. This is so
I've
nice.
already bought it, I think.
I agree. And this one thing is going to help you buy multiple things.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Rekha Kanvarani, unmute yourself.
Hi, Madhura.
Hi. Let's see what's the message for you. What is the message for Rekha Kanvarani, dear universe? The best thing you can do for yourself right now is to love yourself. I think you're already doing it. You can do a little more.
Started because I neglected myself too long.
Yes.
But I'm on the path now.
Now you need to go fast forward on it.
Yeah, I did. So I got those free 5 courses today, and
Okay.
I already got done with the Oracle. And tomorrow I think I'll finalize my deck too. And it was wonderful, captivating. So I didn't feel like leaving it. So
Okay.
we just get the certificate immediately, kind of.
Immediately also, and you can get in touch with the team. They'll also help you.
Yeah, that's they have been real supportive. Both
Yeah.
Kripa and Mariam. Both of them are sweethearts.
Yes, yes, yes. I
Yeah.
agree.
Okay. Thank you so much for the message.
Yes. Ashwini, unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, are you new over here?
No, ma'am. From 3 months back,
You
I
joined.
joined.
Okay. So, dear universe, what is the message for Ashwini? You are on the cusp of greatness. Do not stray away from your path. Whatever you're doing is going right. Don't change.
Okay.
Yeah?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Dr. Prachi, unmute yourself.
Hi.
Hi, hi, hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
What's the message for Dr. Prachi? Wow, this is nice. Visualize green to attract money. Something that you
Oh my
want. Yeah,
Thank you.
nice. You can lower your hand so I know who is left. Yes. Vaishnavi M, unmute yourself, please. Yes, Vaishnavi. Let us see what's the message from the universe for you. Nature is your friend. Be one with nature and find yourself becoming at peace. You need to be peaceful now. Calm down. And you will find that in nature. It's as simple as that. So beautiful. Do you have a garden in your house? Yeah. Have some flowering pots. Yeah. Okay. Maybe it's muted. Roshni Suvarna, unmute yourself. Roshni, are you there? Roshni Suvarna. Okay. I'm going to read it for you anyway. We just have 4 to 5 people. Roshni is done. Oh. Please, can you lower your hand if you're already done? Tejal Chauhan, unmute yourself. Tejal Chauhan, are you there? Pink Pot Shoppy, unmute yourself. Okay, okay, Tejal is here.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Hello.
Tejal, आपको बहुत बार आपका नाम देखा है, but I never saw you. So today I got to see you.
Yeah, I just joined before 10 days. I just attend the last live sessions.
Good.
And recording that.
Very nice. What is
Thank
the
you.
message from the universe for Tejal Chauhan? But I see you're very active, so nice.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
The universe is on your
Thank you.
side. Amazing. ये एक ही word काफी है. ये एक ही line काफी है.
हाँ, एक ही लाइन काफी है. सब कुछ आ गया इसमें. Health, wealth, relationship,
Wonderful.
everything.
Yes, Pink Pot Shoppy, unmute yourself, please.
Hi, Madhura.
Hi, what's your name?
Indukala.
Indukala. So let me ask, what's the message from the universe for Indukala? Is that your brand name?
Of course, yeah.
Okay. It says, the universe sees that you're not being good to yourself. Take a minute, take a deep breath, focus on yourself and what you truly want.
Okay, great. Thanks for this message.
Yes, maybe you're confused about something. It's time to figure out what is it that you actually need.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. Thanks.
Is Gudu over here? Unmute yourself, Gudu. Is Sharda over here? Unmute yourself, Sharda. Sharda Belwadi, I think, is done, no? Okay. Gudu is unmuted. Dear universe, what is the message for Gudu at the moment? Your gut feeling is powerful. Trust it. Yeah. Listen to what your heart says.
Ma'am, Sharda Belwadi, you called my name.
No, it is now for you. Now.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah. Sharda, this is for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
No. Now I'm going to read your card. Sharda?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will read your card.
Thank you, ma'am.
Say thank you after reading the card. 1 minute. I'm confused if you say thank you now. Dear universe, what is the message for Sharda? Evaluate and ensure that you're surrounded by a good company.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yeah, my sixth sense was telling to cut down some people's very back to back. My sixth sense was saying that.
Now listen to your sixth sense.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah. The last two people, Poonam and Krupa. Poonam, unmute yourself, please.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Poonam, can I see you? I love seeing people.
Yes.
Then I try and remember them. Yes. Are you new
Yes.
over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nice. So to the brand new Poonam, what is the message, dear universe? The message is do not give people the power to hurt you.
Okay.
Is that relevant? Do you feel that you are
Yes.
unnecessary?
Very much. Very much.
Yeah, do not give the people the power to hurt you. That's become so strong and keep your so aura super strong.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. And then we have my dearest darling Krupa. Unmute yourself, please.
Good evening.
Good evening. Can you be on camera? I would love to see you.
Yes.
Yes. Dear universe, what's the message for Krupa? What is the message? I think do not give people the power to hurt you. It's a repeat, but it was there in the card even after shuffling. So I think if you remove that part, then you'll be like super, super strong. Wonderful. Very nice. Thank you to everybody who came and participated today. And if there is any more doubts, feel free to ask now. Yes, the session is free for doubts. Any more doubts about today's session, about anything, any course, feel free. Tomorrow we have 7 o'clock Reiki level 1, level 2 attunement. You will have a quick revision. And after the revision, you will be having the attunement. Here are a few rules. Wear light color clothes, no black color. You can wear any light color clothes. From now on, vegetarian food. Keep your mind, heart, soul, body as sattvic as possible in every way that you can think of. Keep a glass of water, some candles, some crystals next to you tomorrow at 7 o'clock when you come for the attunement. All right. Stuti, unmute yourself.
यस मैम मैम जो किट आपकी तरफ से आई थी मुझे उसमें जो सामान है उसका यूज नहीं पता
1 by 1 दिखाई के मैं बता दूंगी
यस मैम सबसे पहले मैम ये
है रेखी हीलिंग के लिए एक बहुत ही सुंदर बोर्ड तो आपको जो भी चक्रा में आपके क्लाइंट को ब्लॉकेज है पहले तो इसको जब रखते हो ना इसके नीचे उनकी फोटो डालो ठीक है नीचे उनका फोटो रखो फिर बोर्ड रखो और जिस चक्रा में ब्लॉकेज है उसके ऊपर वो रेलेवेंट क्रिस्टल रखो और फिर रेखी देना तो ऐसे होता है रेखी हीलिंग उस पर्सन के उस चक्रा पे वो क्रिस्टल के साथ हीलिंग फिर नेक्स्ट ब्रेसलेट कार्नेलियन ये स्वादिष्ठान चक्र के लिए है कार्नेलियन ये है बाथ सॉल्ट इसको थोड़ा के नहाने वाले पानी में डालो और नहाओ ये आपकी क्लेंसिंग कर देगा एनी नेगेटिविटी है वो ठीक हो जाएगा
मैम देन दिस
ये 7 चक्रा हैंगिंग है ऐसे वाला
तो मैम सिंपली ऐसे ही हमें हैंग कर लेना है या कुछ करना है
सुंदर लगता है
ओके मतलब इसको रेकी वगैरह नहीं देनी है, हमें कुछ करना नहीं है।
बैकग्राउंड में हैंग कर दो।
मैम ये विश बॉक्स से ही मुझे मालूम है, लेकिन इसको यूज कैसे करते हैं मुझे नहीं मालूम है।
उसको खोलो, उसके अंदर देखो कि सारी जगह मिरर्स है ना?
हाँ मैम।
तो एम्पलीफाई करता है एनर्जी को। आपकी जो विशेस है उसके अंदर रखो फोल्ड करके, और उसको रेखी दो हर दूसरे दिन, एवरी डे आप उसको रेखी दो, तो वो मल्टीप्लाई होके बहुत जल्दी मैनिफेस्ट होता है रेखी बॉक्स में।
ओके मैम। एंड मैम ये मैम सेज है, मुझे मालूम है।
हाँ, बस आप उसको आगे से थोड़ा सा लगाओ, और फिर जिसको भी क्लेंस करना है, इंसान हो, जगह हो, कार्ड हो, हॉट हो, उसको आप क्लेंस कर सकते हो। बहुत बार ये खुद बुझ जाती है, वो पूरा नहीं बर्न होगा, वो थोड़ी सी ऐसे स्मोक करेगी फिर बुझ जाएगी। अगर नहीं बुझी तो स्टाइल्स पे ऐसे ऐसे करो और वो बंद हो जाएगी। तो आप इसको कम से कम 20-25 बार यूज कर सकते हो।
ओके, मतलब मुझे लगा कि एक ही बार में खत्म करना होता है।
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, इतनी भी नेगेटिविटी नहीं होती है।
यस मैम। मैम एक रुद्राक्ष मैम रुद्राक्ष है, मुझे यूज नहीं करना था। और मैम इसमें कॉइन भी है, एक रुद्राक्ष और है,
कॉइन
मुझे
है?
नहीं पता ये कौन सी है।
दो आई है,
मैम
मैंने तो एक ही भेजा था, दो कहाँ से हो गई?
मैम 2 रुद्राक्ष आए आपकी तरफ से मेरे पास मुझे नहीं पता मैम।
तो शायद किसी और के
मैम
लिए है, आपके मतलब आपके ही फैमिली में किसी के लिए है। तो एक है वो कुबेरा कॉइन है। तो ये इसका मतलब है कि पैसा आएगा भी और सेव भी आप कर सकते हो। तो वो कुबेरा कॉइन है, तो बहुत ही एक अच्छी कॉइन है जो आप वॉलेट के अंदर रखो। और जो 2 रुद्राक्ष है, एक आप रख लो, एक पति को दे दो।
मैम लेकिन रुद्राक्ष जैसे हम क्रिस्टल्स यूज करते हैं ऐसे यूज किया जाता है ना, कि मतलब नाइट में उतारना है और वॉशरूम जाते में भी उतारना है,
तो
इस
आप
तरीके
ऐसे
से?
अपने पूजा रूम में भी रख सकते हैं।
ओके, इसको पूजा रूम में रख दें।
रुद्राक्ष इज अ वेरी हाई वाइब्रेटिंग एनर्जी। जहां पे भी आपको लगता है कि इस प्लेस में मुझे अच्छी एनर्जी चाहिए, देन यू कीप रुद्राक्ष।
मैम एक छोटे से एंजल भी है ग्रीन कलर के।
हाँ, तो वो रफायल है, ग्रीन अगर है वो आपके
यस मैम।
हीलिंग के लिए है। रफायल इज फॉर हीलिंग, हेल्थ हीलिंग, वेरी गुड फॉर हीलिंग। तो वो आप टेंपल के, अगर आपका कोई सीक्रेट स्पेस या हीलिंग स्पेस है वहां पे, हाँ, ग्रीन कलर हीलिंग के लिए है।
ओके मैम, ठीक है मैम, यही चीजें मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही थी।
अब समझ आ गई? अब स्टार्ट करो यूज
यस
करना, अनपैक करो और यूज करो।
यस मैम। मैम और जो ट्री है वो मैंने इसके ऊपर रखा हुआ है। एक सेकंड मैम। कहाँ से यहीं से होगा? मैम देखिए ये ट्री मैंने ऐसे
नहीं, खोलो उसको,
मैम सेलेनाइट
पहले उस कवर को,
मैम अभी खोला नहीं था।
ट्री को खोलो
अभी
और
खोला
पूरा
नहीं था।
ऐसे खुला करो, ओपन करो, पूरा ओपन
ओके
करो।
ओके मैम, एक्चुअली में मैंने रखा हुआ है नवरात्रों के लिए, कि मैं नवरात्रों में इसको खोलूंगी, इसलिए नहीं खोला था।
ओके, ठीक है। या
थैंक यू मैम।
यस यस, Kiranmai, unmute yourself. You have a question? You have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I don't know Reiki much. So attunement का कितना time लगता है generally?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Just because I have to pick my daughter around 7:50 daily, I just had a doubt. My husband is not
7:50 or
out of state.
7:15?
Okay, okay.
No, is 7:15 or 7:50?
7:50.
Okay. Initially I always do a revision. Whenever everyone come, no, we will have a quick revision of whatever is covered in level 1, level 2. Then we do attunement. After attunement, we do question answers.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am. I'll try to arrange some other source for her. That is why I was asking. Thank you.
Anil, ma'am बोलिए।
मैम ये जो रेकी बॉक्स है ये कहाँ से मिलता है और कितने का आता है ये?
रेकी बॉक्स 4 इंच और 6 इंच का है। आप चरण या कृपा से आप बात कर लीजिए, वो आपको ऑप्शंस दे देंगे।
ओके, थैंक यू।
यस, रेखी श्रुति जादव, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। यस श्रुति।
Hello.
Yes, Shruti.
Okay, hi. Madhura, my first question was, I joined just 2 days back to this workshop through this Everyone Can Heal. And in that, I could not attend both the workshop because of my internet issues. So I just joined and I had to like drop back. So I'm kind of like unaware as in what is happening. Am I on the right, workshop, or is it like there is some other timing for this Everyone Can Heal workshop? So I don't know how exactly it works. or how exactly it goes about. So I just wanted to understand this, please.
I have been in the online field for about 3 years, and I realized there's a lot of people who are like Shruti, who will have something or the other to miss. And that's why we give the recording. So you don't have the course access yet?
No, I am not sure on that.
Charan, where are you, Charan? Put your number here. So take this team's number, and he will give you the access of Everyone Can Heal. Whichever thing you have missed in the past, he will be able to give you the recording. Meaning you will be able to find all of them. Yeah. Charan or Krupa, one of you, just put your numbers here and help Shruti Jadhav. Shruti, we do 3-4 things. One is we help people heal themselves. One, we teach more than 40 plus modalities. Another, we help people launch themselves. So whichever you feel you are on, down the line, once you feel aligned, you can choose to do that. You can get in touch with Krupa. She's here, 8904060246. Just talk to her. She'll give you the access and help you.
Can I ask you one more question, if you don't
Any
mind,
number
please?
of questions.
So right now you just told me that you have more than like 40 modalities on your course blueprint. I just wanted to understand, as in, because you told me in 3 aspects. One is for it is for self-healing, one is for
learning,
learning, and one is for healing
Tailor
others.
to monetize. If anybody feels that I've learned something, I want to take this up as a career, I want to also teach people, I want to heal people, I want to make few lakhs every month, I want to have my own course, I want to take one-on-one sessions for people, I want to learn how to monetize. That's for that's super healer. If you feel I want to learn, like could be crystal healing, angel healing, could be card reading, Reiki, then there are individual courses. Charan and Krupa, can you put the storefront? So you can pick up these courses at 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 based on which one you're choosing, and learn at your own pace. You get the instant access, and it is for lifetime. Everyone Can Heal is once you pay, you have a 1-year subscription. That's it. Every week you come and you get connected and learn something or the other every single time. Like once we learn money manifestation, love manifestation, affirmation, how to make a personalized sacred space, stuff like that. So every time you learn something. So someone who is new to healing can be here. Someone who says, I've done healing, but I want to practice it, because most of the time they don't implement things, they get to implement. Where are you right now? Do you feel that you want to learn healing, or you have learned healing? Where are you?
No, I'm on ground zero, so I want
Ground
to
zero?
start to understand.
Yeah, so just
Understand how exactly.
start with a recording of the Everyone Can Heal, and once you
Yeah.
get a little insight, then you can keep coming to the live sessions and keep learning. If ever you feel you want to start with heal yourself, because that's how everyone starts. I started my journey also with my own healing, and today I'm here
Yeah.
helping others. That's how
Okay.
everybody's journey is. Everyone
Perfect.
comes initially for themselves. Yeah, Shruti, there's a storefront link. Just have a look. You have all my courses there. You can just have a look.
Fair enough. All right. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thanks a lot.
Yes. We have K. Kiranmai. Unmute yourself. K. Kiranmai, are you there? Unmute yourself, please. You have raised your hand, or it's not. Roli ma'am, please आप अपना नाम change कीजिए. Unmute.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Sure, I will ask my son to do it today.
Yes,
Okay, sir, Mr. Ravani.
I'm audible. Yeah, tell me. Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
actually, you unmuted me.
Yes, you have raised your hand.
Oh, I'm really sorry. It's by mistake.
Old hand?
I'm
Okay.
extremely sorry.
Yeah. And Roli ma'am, is this a new hand, old hand? New hand? Yes. Unmute yourself, please. Yes.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
So I will surely get my name changed, actually, with my son. And I wanted to get a reading with my personal number. So is it possible that you do it for me?
Means I read it for you that time, no? It was for you only.
Okay.
We did it for you only.
I thought it was with that number, so there might be
Oh,
something.
no. It was for you.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Any more doubts? Anybody? Let me go through the chats. I've got a purple angel. Purple angel is Michael. Blue and purple. So maybe your intuitive powers can get very strong. Yes. Thank you so much, everyone, for your valuable time. Tomorrow is Reiki. Day after tomorrow, we have the Super Healer session. After that, we have Money Reiki on Day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is Reiki attunement, level 1, level 2. Day after tomorrow, super healer people live. And then after that, we will have Money Reiki live. Money Reiki level 1, level 2, level 3. Anybody who is here, please come to the live and get your attunement done. Take care, everyone. Wishing you lots of love, abundance, happiness, prosperity, and everything that you wish for. May the universe bless you with lots of happiness. Take care. Bye-bye.